near AC. She said she's at AC. I'm showing up. AC. She said she's there. Right? The video. Yeah. So I'm going to drop her off her things. And my business here is done. I have nothing more to do with this situation. I'm cleaning my hands of it. I don't want anything else more to do with it. Alright? I am done. Wait. I remember them sleeping, yeah. So I think I'm going to park at the front and I'm going to send my mom to call her because my mom is more calmer, and let her come and take the stuff out the back of the vehicle. I'm going to park right here in front of the security so that in case she attacks me, I don't want to beat the shit out of her. I am, you know, in the right. I don't put myself in harm's way.
Alright, so just go in the lobby.
Yeah, just go in there and look for her, mommy. Because I'm not going in there. I am done. Let her come and get her bags because I was just only assisting her in picking her up at the security. I'm going to drop off some bags to Lisa. She's in a manic state. She claims that she will attack me, so I want to make sure that when she comes out to collect her bags, I'm right in front of her. Alright, I'm here to drop off Lisa Hype bags, but she's in a manic state. So I do not want her, because she claims that she's gonna attack me. I don't want to beat the shit out of her and then you hear that I beat a mad person and I'm in the wrong. So I'm going to leave, the car is going to be here and she's going to come right here and take out the bags in front of you. So there's none of that here on the premises. She's in a manic state. A manic state means she's off on sound mind right now. Right? She's in unsound mind. I was supposed to pick her up from the airport. I didn't get to pick her up from the airport. I was left with some bags from her director that he had it in her office, but he has written her off and don't want anything to do with her. So I have the bags because I was supposed to pick her up. I had to pick up my kids, so I'm just carrying the bags for her today.
Can speak to my supervisor as well. Can relate it to my supervisor.
Hi, so I'm here to drop off some bags to Lisa Hype.
They don't see her on it in there.
She was just there.
Oh. So you getting up?
I didn't bother to call her because she stated that she's at AC Hotel.
Yeah.
I must run up. You saw her walking, right? She said she's at AC Hotel. You sure she's not by the pool, mommy? No. You could go with my mom to check with her if she's at the pool.
Let me
I am not going in there. I do not want to be inside there. I don't want to be near her. I don't want to be a part of it. Huh? I was supposed to pick her up from the airport, right? Her family arranged for her to come to Jamaica. They had to put up the money for her to come. So she ended up coming this morning instead of yesterday afternoon. Because she come in the morning and I have kids, I couldn't pick her up. The director had some bags for her at his office and I told him I'm going to pick her from the airport. He said don't want to deal with her anymore. So I must take the bags, and when you pick her from the airport, me give her bag them and everything, and we just wipe our hand clean at the situation. She come, I don't know what the family arranged for her. I guess they wanted to carry her to the hospital to check if she really mad or she just angry. But she gone to the next level. What a life in a hopeful village.
Hello.
Her is Lisa Hype, girl. Her is Lisa Hype. How do you? I never do them some here before, and you know I'm not do mixing. But I want to give this girl her bag them and make she gone. She look like she gone. My mom see her?
Yes, you don't. You're talking to her.
She talking to my mom now. Yeah, girl. Like, I'm tired now. 11 years me I do this video. 11 years, 5 episodes in. Whole heap of things. I'm tired. To be honest, I'm just me a friend, but at some point, where does it stop? It stop here now. Can you imagine? I just said to you, say, you know, I try as I say the best way. You walk on the road barefoot, my beard. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this young lady. I just reach a point where I'm just tired now. I'm kinda over it. I'm just over it, and it's so sad, but I'm really over it. What? Mommy, I call you? My mom call you? Oh, come here, say, Lord God. Yes, she's in and out. So she's in a state where 1 minute she's calm, next minute she's manic and she all over the place. Nothing is wrong with that. Just know to yourself that you need